Squishy, where the fuck is my intro text?
Alright, man. I have no idea what you're on about.
This is why I never really have nice things, you know? This is always why. This is why you need to get a job, you old-ass motherfucker.
Tails, you know what day it is? Squishy for the last time.
I can't believe I got dragged out of my house at like 6 AM just to get McDonald's. What happened to your house?
I'll be useful!
You can live with Squishy on the streets, bro. Deal with it.